Hello friends, I am Chini.
I am Mini.
Today's story name is
All together.
Okay Chini, can we start the story?
Yes.
A large group of birds live on a tree. Every day, they flew out in a search of food. One day, a hunter spread a net to catch them. Alas, the bird caught in the net. Their leader was very wise. He said, I have an idea. Let's fly up carrying the net. The birds flew away with the net. Before the hunter comes, they flew to their friends, the rat. He beat the net with his sharp teeth. The birds were free. The moral of the story: to stay together. Bye bye.